So, you're a workshop that offers mobile repair services, meaning you've got a mobile technician, and they've got a mobile device. But have you found the way to best utilize the two together? This is where EMDECS comes in. Whether your technicians are working in your shop 20 feet away or working on site 20 miles away, you can keep track of what's going on from one centralized system. Give your mobile techs access to simplified and digitized repair orders. No need to purchase proprietary hardware. EMDECS is accessible via any device connected to the internet. Track their actual hours in real time. See what labor is being performed. Keep an eye on parts usage, unit status, and more, with the bonus of reducing paperwork and keeping everything organized in one single system. Welcome to EMDECS, a one-stop shop solution that handles all of your fleet maintenance and management needs. To find out how EMDECS is so much more than just repair orders, inventory and preventative maintenance, visit BrightOrder.co.uk.